heart shape. There are many kinds of shapes, I see them everywhere. I love circles and rectangles, triangles and squares.
Circles!
When I go walking, I see circles everywhere I go. A circle is round like a steering wheel, it's shaped just like an O. Like a big bright sun,
like a big bright sun,
and a cinnamon bun,
and a cinnamon bun,
and the wheels on a bicycle round and round they go. Like a big balloon,
like a big balloon,
like the big full moon,
like a big full moon.
How many kinds of circles do you know?
Squares!
I see squares when we go to town, they're everywhere you turn. They have four sides of the very same length, let's see what we can learn. Like a pizza box,
like a pizza box,
and my toy blocks,
and my toy blocks.
Equal sides of 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like a picture frame,
Like a picture frame,
or a window pane.
or a window pane.
A square is just a shape that I adore.
Triangles!
Here and there I find triangles, look around and see. A triangle has 3 sides, 1 and 2 and 3. Like a pizza slice,
Like a pizza slice,
a piece of pie is nice.
piece of pie is nice.
How about a great big ice cream cone?
Yes, please!
Like a volcano,
Like a volcano,
or the sail on my
or
boat,
the sail of my boat.
or a steeple, or the shape of a roof that's on my home.
Rectangles!
I share my house with a lot of rectangles, let's just take a look. With 2 sides long and 2 sides short, they're shaped just like a book. Like my front door,
Like my front door,
and the rug on my floor.
and the rug on my floor.
Like a bridge, like a brick, like a bed, like a stereo.
And I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I admit. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try. Oh, I'ma keep my head up high. Keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, I'll keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. And what I am is, 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 and what I am is. There's nothing I can't achieve because in myself I believe in. Though gonna keep our heads up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, just keep getting stronger. Ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Never giving up, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. What I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what you are is, what you are is. There's nothing I can't achieve because of myself I believe in. Gonna hold my head up high, keep on reaching high.